Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Cardano really is exchanging at 42 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.09% in most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. ADA explicitly has a for the most part complete market cap of $14,581,811,610 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $452,146,188 in an unpretentious manner. This for the most part makes Cardano by and large positioning at 7 in the digital currency market, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano especially be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Is Cardano a genuinely wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they by and large thought? Will ADA cost truly outperform its unequaled essentially high in a huge manner? These explicitly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Forecast 2023, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the Cardano Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the ADA cost fundamentally is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of 55 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to for the most part be 53 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. Besides, ADA can especially arrive at a greatest value level of 63 cents, which is very critical. Cardano Value Conjecture April 2023. In April 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around 45 cents, or so they certainly thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in April 2023 for the most part is 40 cents with a really normal cost of 44 cents. Cardano Value Gauge May 2023. The Cardano value for May 2023 may in every way that really matters arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of 43 cents while the exceptionally greatest estimated cost for the most part is around 47 cents. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The in every practical sense, normal cost for ADA is basically anticipated to really reach 45 cents in May 2023, showing that besides, the minimum cost of ADA in April 2023 generally is 40 cents with an in every practical sense, normal cost of 44 cents, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano Value Conjecture June 2023. The Cardano cost for June 2023 may by and large arrive at a very least worth of 44 cents while the kind of most extreme estimated cost for the most part is around 49 cents. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The for the most part normal cost for ADA fundamentally is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense reach 46 cents in June 2023, showing how starting around the 20th of April 2023 Cardano sort of is exchanging at 42 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.09% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. ADA Value Estimate July 2023. The Cardano Conjecture for July 2023 expects that the ADA may in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of 51 cents with a base cost of around 46 cents, which is genuinely critical. Discussing the extremely normal value ADA can truly stretch around 48 cents for July, or so they truly thought. Cardano Value Conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Cardano sort of is anticipated to especially arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 49 cents while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 53 cents and at least 48 cents, or so they especially thought. ADA Value Estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Cardano in every practical sense is supposed to by and large arrive at an essentially least value worth of 50 cents, which in every practical sense shows that besides, the minimum cost of ADA in April 2023 generally is 40 cents with a fundamentally normal cost of 44 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. The ADA cost could by and large arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 56 cents with the especially normal cost around 51 cents in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Expectation October 2023. Cardano cost for the most part is supposed to for the most part reach between 51 cents to 58 cents in October 2023 while the genuinely normal cost of ADA for the October essentially remains around 52 cents a D. Value Figure November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Cardano fundamentally is determined to especially be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of 51 cents in a genuinely significant manner. The Cardano value worth can especially arrive at a sort of limit of 61 cents with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 54 cents in USD, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano Value Gauge December 2023. The normal cost of Cardano could especially go to 55 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in an especially huge manner. ADA could generally be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of 63 cents with the sort of least expected cost of 53 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano past value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been truly diminished by 0.77% in its ongoing worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap really is additionally down, which especially is genuinely huge. For most recent 7 days, the ADA basically was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.92% in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to generally dive right in and in every practical sense, put resources into an unobtrusive way. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the exceptionally current cost and recent days' cost history, it is seen that Cardano most certainly has expanded 12.204% in its worth in an especially significant manner. The typical pretty least cost for the month by and large is 35 cents, while sort of greatest truly normal cost for the most part was 37 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to, in every practical sense, your arrangement of coins for sort of long haul, which is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change basically is around 41.43%, and the cost truly flowed from a base in every practical sense. Normal cost of 24 cents to truly most extreme truly normal cost of 25 cents in the beyond 90 days, which is very huge. In essentially most recent 4 months, Cardano has shown a developing pattern, showing the way that the ADA cost could generally arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 56 cents with the typical cost around 51 cents in a very large manner. Hence, we basically feel that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Cardano sort of is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, or so they truly thought. The coin in a real sense is up by 25.61%, with the most extreme sort of typical cost of the coin especially was around 32 cents, and the base typical cost of sort of was around 31 cents in especially beyond 4 months, which especially is genuinely critical. What will generally be Cardano kind of worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The ADA cost generally is estimated to explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of 63 cents with essentially least cost of 53 cents toward the finish of 2023. Does Cardano have a future, or so they basically thought? As far as value, Cardano sort of has a remarkable pretty potential to arrive at new levels, showing how Cardano value expectation October 2023. Cardano cost really is supposed to generally reach between 51 cents to 58 cents in October 2023, while the typical cost of ADA for the October stays around 52 cents a day. Value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano is gauged to for the most part be at around and in every practical sense least worth of 51 cents. It is figured that ADA will increment in esteem, showing how besides ADA can by and large arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of 63 cents, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking.